Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about crypto tokens. Now stay with me till to the end of this video. You will have learned a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video if you feel this information is so valuable, plus following us on our social media handles or platforms. All the links are down in the description. Do even sign up or join our free Telegram channel. All the links are down in the description, guys. So don't watch this video and do not go through about all those links, because every link has its particular information. Now, another thing which I cannot forget is to thank you guys about the subscribers. Those who subscribe to our channel, we are about to hit 50 subscribers. I thank you guys. Let's push it now to 100 subscribers. We really appreciate you. Also, we are going to do our part by bringing a lot of content to teach you guys about all these financial markets. Now, without wasting time, our topic of today is what is a crypto token. Now, a crypto token is a virtual currency token or a denomination of a cryptocurrency. It represents a tradable asset or utility that resides on its own blockchain and allows the holder to use it for investment or economic purposes. Now, when you talk about a crypto token is also a cryptocurrency. But it is also a cryptocurrency, but this particular token, for it to become a cryptocurrency, it does not use its own blockchain. Now, for tokens are always built on cryptocurrencies which have their own blockchains, like Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which owns its blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency which owns its own blockchain. Now you'll find a currency like Shiba Inu was being programmed on a blockchain of Ethereum blockchain. I think we're together. Now, tokens are built on an existing blockchain for cryptocurrencies that have their own blockchains. Now that's why they are called tokens, because they are the smallest denominations of altcoins. I don't know whether we are together in that point. A crypto token is a virtual currency token or a denomination of a cryptocurrency. Are we together? So we wanted for you to clearly get this point now. When someone talks about crypto tokens, mainly crypto tokens, they are small denominations of altcoins or cryptocurrencies. Examples of crypto tokens where they can give you, we have what we call Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a token, Chainlink is a token. Now, if you don't take time to make research on these tokens, you will not understand what I'm telling you. But for me, I've made for you the research and trying to explain to you that when someone talks about tokens, crypto tokens are built on existing blockchains of cryptocurrencies that already have their own blockchains. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted this video to be a little bit short but educative. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video if you feel this information is so valuable to you guys, plus signing up with our crypto broker, which is Binance. So far the largest crypto exchange in the whole world, serving over 900 million clients worldwide.